Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn post scheduling with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. To enable LinkedIn post scheduling with Hootsuite, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the Add Social Network option on the left-hand side. Click on it to begin adding your LinkedIn account. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to select LinkedIn. Choose the appropriate LinkedIn profile or page you wish to schedule posts for. After selecting, click the Authorize button to give Hootsuite permission to access your LinkedIn account. Make sure to follow any additional prompts from LinkedIn. Once your LinkedIn account is connected, return to your Hootsuite dashboard. Next, click on the Composer icon in the top right corner. In the Composer, type your post content in the designated text box. If desired, you can attach images or links to your post using the icons available. To schedule your post, locate the calendar icon in the Composer. Click on the calendar icon to set your desired posting date and time. Adjust the posting schedule according to your audience engagement preferences. After setting the date and time, confirm your selections. Finally, click the Schedule button to finalize your post. Your LinkedIn post is now scheduled and will be published at your chosen time. You can view all scheduled posts in your Hootsuite dashboard. This allows for easy management and adjustment if needed. Now, you are fully equipped to schedule LinkedIn posts using Hootsuite. Enjoy streamlining your social media strategy with this powerful tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.